5 Best Space Heater. Here is the product number 5. Air Heating Space Winter Warmer Fan. 900 watts mini electric heater portable plug-in electric fan space room heater air heating space winter warmer fan remote control specifications, material, plastic plus metal. Power, 500 W. Color, black. How to use, plug-in. Use scene, living room, bedroom. Socket specifications, EU plug. Here is the product number 4. Mini portable plug-in personal space warmer. Feature, product overview. There are temperature display and time device, which can be timed and the time is 112 hours. Convenient and portable, plug directly into the wall or have a socket. Save space and be easy to carry. Suitable for indoor heating, personal small space, dormitory, office, camping, as long as there is a socket, basement, garage, etc. Here is the product number 3. 900 watts mini electric heater warm air. 900 watts mini electric heater warm air fan portable space home office winter warmer fan air heater stove radiator warmer machine EU. Color white/black material ABS plus iron sheet plus heating sheet. Brand name, this project. Use, living room. Electric heater type, convector heater. Power, 800 watts. Here is the product number 2. 500 watts portable electric heater mini fan heater. Features, PTC ceramic element, quickly and easily heating, keeping you warm in the cold winter. Built-in timer function 112 hours, perfect for preheating the rooms. Automatically power off when reaching the temperature set to avoid accidents, safe and reliable. Comes with a remote control for conveniently controlling. Easy to use, suitable for using at home or in the office. Here is the product number 1. Personal space warmer for indoor heating. Product overview, suitable for indoor heating, personal small space, dormitory, office, camping, basement, garage, etc. Different situations, this product has different plugs and is suitable for people from different regions. There are 4 buttons. Convenient and portable, plug directly into the wall or have a socket. Save space and be easy to carry.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Drop a like, comment and share.